Viscosity VPN, how to install PIA OpenVPN on macOS with Viscosity. Here's a step-by-step guide to installing private internet access, PIA OpenVPN on macOS using Viscosity, a sleek and powerful OpenVPN client. What you'll need: a PIA subscription, Viscosity, free for 30 days. Installed on your Mac, SparkLabs official site, https://www.sparklabs.com/viscosity. Download OpenVPN configuration files from PIA. Step-by-step installation guide. Download and install Viscosity. Go to SparkLabs Viscosity page, https://www.sparklabs.com/viscosity, and download the macOS version. Open the .dmg file and drag viscosity.app into your Applications folder. Launch Viscosity from Launchpad or Finder. 2. Get PIA OpenVPN config files, log into your PIA account dashboard. Navigate to the Downloads or Support section. Download the OpenVPN configuration files for macOS, look for .op files or a .zip archive. Unzip the archive to access individual server configs. 3. Import configs into Viscosity, open Viscosity and click the menu bar icon, a lock inside a circle. Select Preferences rightward arrow Connections rightward arrow plus rightward arrow Import connection rightward arrow from File. Choose the .op file for your preferred server, example us_california.op. Viscosity will autofill most settings, but you can tweak them if needed. 4. Enter your PIA credentials. In the imported connection settings, go to the Authentication tab. Enter your PIA username, starts with P, and password. Optionally, check Save Password for convenience. 5. Connect to VPN, click the Viscosity icon in the menu bar. Select your imported connection and click Connect. The icon will turn green when connected successfully. Optional enhancements: DNS leak protection *, enable Viscosity's DNS settings to route queries through VPN DNS. Obfuscation *, use PIA stealth servers or configure OPS proxy if needed. Multiple connections *, Viscosity supports simultaneous VPN tunnels, great for advanced setups.